So what are the steps to get to this point? Come find out with me. This is Filippo Bartolotta. Let's wine together. So it's easy. There's 3 steps: nature, human beings in the cellar, and then us, the wine in the glass. We start from nature. I happen to have a beautiful vineyard next to me, and this is where everything happens. It's much easier than we all know. You know what I'm saying? Like, basically, from the vineyard, winemakers, agronomists, farmers, they choose the best berries from each and every one of these vines. Almost a long year, an entire year is spent in the vineyard, in nature. Nature is paramount to fine wines. You need healthy fruit and also little fruit from each vine. Now, what am I trying to say? Potentially, from one plant of grapes, you can make 25 bottles of wine. Not if you want to make fine wine. From one plant of grapes, you're going to make 1 bottle of wine. So at this point, the grapes are harvested. They're getting into the cellar. Fermentation starts. The grape mass becomes juice. And at that point, the juice can either go into the bottle if you're producing something that is for early consumption, ready to drink after a few months, or the bottle is gonna wait and the wine will be going into oak barrels. You might be getting a 300 bottles oak barrel, that is a barrique, 225 liters, or a massive barrel, like big as a room with 30,000 bottles in it. You can keep the wine in the oak for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. It really depends on the winemaker's formula. But what is the reason? Why do winemakers use oak for their wines? There's a few factors. Numero uno is that you want to make your wine smoother and rounder. Numero due, you want to make the wine more complex with the aromas, more aromas on the nose and on the palate. And numero tre is the fact that the wine is going to become more structured and with more ageability. At the end of this, though, the destiny of every drop of wine is the bottle. Or, I should have said, is the glass. And it's us, the delicious juice that we share to stay together. Salute. Did you learn anything new today? If you have any questions, just ask. And of course, for more tips, tricks, and love, follow us on our social media and our wine classes. And enjoy it like a true Italiano.